Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Eating pecans every day may improve your cholesterol and diet quality. Eating about 2 ounces of pecans daily is linked to lower cholesterol in adults with or at risk for metabolic syndrome. People who added pecans to their diet also had better overall diet quality. Pecans could complement, but not replace, cholesterol-lowering medications. The benefits of pecans are likely due to their unique polyphenol content, which may support healthy blood vessels, as well as their fiber and polyunsaturated fat content. While pecans can be part of a heart-healthy diet, they should not replace cholesterol medication, as statins can reduce LDL cholesterol by 20 to 60%, while pecans reduced it by around 6%. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak